The AI revolution is transforming space exploration in ways that once seemed like science fiction. Not long ago, exploring space was an entirely human-driven effort, with astronauts, engineers, and scientists guiding every mission. But now, artificial intelligence is taking center stage, raising exciting possibilities and serious questions about the future of space travel. Is already a vital part of many space missions. For instance, NASA's rovers on Mars, like Perseverance, use AI to navigate the planet's rugged terrain. Instead of waiting for instructions from Earth, these robots make decisions on their own, figuring out the safest paths to travel and which rocks to analyze. This independence is crucial because signals between Earth and Mars take up to 20 minutes one way. Imagine if a rover had to pause and wait every time it needed guidance. Solves that problem, making exploration faster and more efficient. But here's where things get controversial. Some scientists worry that we're relying too much on AI for critical decisions. Space is unpredictable, with harsh conditions that could throw even the smartest algorithms into chaos. What happens if an AI system encounters something it wasn't trained for? Unlike humans, AI doesn't improvise. It follows patterns based on data it's been given. Critics argue that this lack of adaptability could lead to costly mistakes in high-stakes missions. On the flip side, AI offers capabilities humans can't match. For example, AI systems can process enormous amounts of data far faster than humans. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope generate mountains of information about distant galaxies, and AI is essential for analyzing that data. Without it, we'd miss countless discoveries. AI has even helped scientists identify planets outside our solar system that might be capable of supporting life. These breakthroughs wouldn't be possible without AI's speed and precision. The debate heats up when we consider AI's role in future missions involving humans. Companies like SpaceX and agencies like NASA are exploring AI's potential to assist astronauts in deep space. AI could handle spacecraft maintenance, monitor health conditions, and even respond to emergencies. Imagine an AI assistant guiding astronauts through a dangerous situation, like a sudden system failure. While this sounds helpful, it also raises concerns about control. Should we trust AI to make life or death decisions? Some experts argue that humans must remain the ultimate authority in space missions, while others believe AI's logic and efficiency could save lives. Then there's the ethical question: should AI be allowed to act autonomously in space? For instance, what if AI systems are sent to terraform planets or mine asteroids without human oversight? Critics warn that we could lose control over these systems, potentially leading to environmental damage or unintended consequences. Supporters counter that AI is our best hope for tackling massive projects in the harsh conditions of space. Without it, colonizing other planets or accessing space resources might remain impossible. AI is also reshaping the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists are using machine learning algorithms to analyze signals from deep space, looking for patterns that could indicate intelligent life. Some believe AI could even decode alien languages if we ever make contact. But here's the twist. What if AI detects life but decides not to tell us? It might sound like a conspiracy theory, but some people worry about AI withholding information or misinterpreting its findings, leaving humanity in the dark about one of the greatest discoveries of all time. Another fascinating area is AI's role in creating space habitats. Imagine AI designing and building homes on the moon or Mars, tailored to the unique challenges of each environment. These structures could adapt over time, expanding as more people arrive. While this sounds like a dream come true, it also sparks fears about overdependence. What happens if the AI systems running these habitats malfunction or become uncontrollable? Would we be able to survive without them? The AI revolution in space exploration is both thrilling and unsettling. It's pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve, from mapping distant planets to preparing for human colonization of other worlds. But it's also forcing us to confront tough questions about control, ethics, and the limits of technology. As we look to the stars, one thing is clear: AI will be a powerful ally, or perhaps a rival, in humanity's quest to explore the universe. If you're as fascinated by the possibilities and the challenges of AI in space as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations of science and technology. What do you think? Will AI be our greatest ally in space? Or could it become a danger we can't control? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. The universe is vast, and together, we'll uncover its secrets.